What's up YouTube? Justin here with another information-packed video. Today we're going to be talking about 5 of the top benefits that you can look forward to after implementing an MES or manufacturing execution system into your business. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Nowadays, manufacturers are under constant pressure to improve efficiency, and with the ever-changing advancements in technologies, businesses are always on the lookout for new ways they can utilize these technologies so they can up their game and take their manufacturing process to the next level. Today, there are countless options for manufacturers to choose from, but with so many options available, where do they begin? A good place to start is by looking at manufacturing execution systems, or MES. An MES is simply a computerized system used in the manufacturing process to track and analyze data. Before MES, manufacturers would have to rely on employees to keep track of the different variables used in their business. Now, it's not difficult to see how many countless issues and inefficiencies a system like this would often cause. So with that being said, let's get into our list of 5 of the top benefits of a manufacturing execution system. First on our list is real-time data. While it goes without saying, having access to real-time data is crucial in evaluating current job status and accurately anticipating future business needs. Without an MES, companies are only able to look at historical machine data. That is, if accurate historical data is even being tracked. This makes it difficult, if not impossible, for manufacturers to quickly pivot their operations should the need arise. Now consider a situation where maybe a manufacturer was in the middle of completing a large job that required a specific component or part that they didn't have enough of. Now in order to stop and set up the next job while they wait for those supplies to arrive, it would require several hours of downtime and thousands of dollars lost when they could have simply skipped the first job until the parts arrived had they known beforehand. By having access to real-time data, companies are able to minimize, if not eliminate, situations just like this. Number 2 on our list is reduce costs. Reducing costs is typically one of the more obvious benefits of incorporating MES into your business. However, not all of the cost-saving advantages are as clear as others, and many of them will vary from business to business. Some of the ways that MES can help reduce costs for manufacturers include eliminating overages in production, consolidating scheduling personnel, decreased inventory needs, fewer down cycles, and decreased tool and machine setup times. There are obviously additional cost-saving benefits, but with so many different businesses using manufacturing execution systems, it would be impossible to list them all, but you get the idea. Number 3 on our list is standardized operations. Many MES systems allow for managers and supervisors to input static operation manuals or setup and teardown procedures within their MES system. This allows for their operators to reference these best practices while completing their tasks. By standardizing operations within a plant, companies are better able to track and predict the time needed to complete certain procedures within the organization. This allows for better planning and increased efficiency. Number 4 on our list of MES benefits is improved machine and operator efficiencies. By tracking each asset's production in real time, managers are able to make more informed decisions when it comes to evaluating the individual components used in the production cycle. They can easily see if a machine or operator is operating within the established efficiency guidelines and quickly make any adjustments as needed. There's no more needing to use guesswork when trying to improve efficiency, especially when all the data is quickly accessible in an easy-to-read graphical representation right on the shop floor. And last but not least is predictive maintenance. With the data obtained from a manufacturing execution system, businesses are able to further improve their efficiency by taking a more proactive approach to machine maintenance. Maintenance personnel no longer have to wait until production is disrupted before taking appropriate actions. Once the data shows that the current operating efficiency is below their defined threshold, the needed measures can be taken before it further affects productivity. As you can see, manufacturing execution systems are an essential component on the road to optimal efficiency. And while this list is a good starting point when looking at the benefits of implementing an MES into your organization, it is by no means an end-all be-all list. Each business has its own unique needs and requirements, and it is important to look at all possible options when trying to improve its production efficiency. If you got value from today's video and want to learn more about manufacturing execution systems or anything having to do with manufacturing and business in general, be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.